Hey there guys, in this quick video I'm going to compare the Odin 2 Mini with the Odin 2 specs, and this is going to be primarily for it. Regards the specs, what you need to know. So when we're going to look here, what we can find. So the battery size, there is a huge difference. So Odin 2 Mini you have only 5,000, but for the Odin 2 you have 8,000. Also the IPS screen size, screen size is superior to the mini LED, so this is another really important thing. And the Odin 2 can give you like 8 to 10 hours of GameCube, PS2 and streaming versus probably like 5 to 7 hours on the mini. So this is like also important thing. Now when we are going to look here on the CPU, we can see the CPU is the same, then also the GPU is the same. It really depends like which kind of like RAM and storage you would go for, if you want to go for the Pro or no. And then when you're gonna look here, the Wi-Fi is the same, the interface is the same. You're gonna have also like TF card here, and also the weight is smaller, the lower end size is also lower. So these are just like the important things that I just wanted to share with you. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.